good?
No, I see like there's like 5 coming.
All right, zombie horde, here we go. Let's see if our man's got some kind of story to tell us.
No, you're trespassing on my property.
I'm sorry, sir.
You better get moving.
Okay then.
You better pray. You better pray I don't catch you.
I'm just trying to find the prices right.
Don't worry, the dead will find you. So run, boys.
Run. Hey, we meet again. These things, punks.
Come on, keep it going. Keep it going, folks. Look, see my guys right there. See them?
Yeah.
Come on, spooky haters, get out of here. You better post me on Facebook.
I will.
You need a brother. No, a wife. Where's your wife?
Did you say a rubber? What the fuck? We're trying to get hardcore over here. Alright, I like this. This is totally new. Or it's like they added more. Alright. That's a zombie, man. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Uh-oh, I see an arm over here. I see somebody just laying down taking a nap.
Please help me.
He's
My legs.
sleeping on the job.
Please.
It took his legs.
Please don't leave me.
You know, it seems a little different. Oh shit, it's dark up in here. Somebody could easily jump and scare me. Mother clucker. I knew somebody was there. But I didn't think they would get me, man. They got me. So, props to you guys. Oh, look at that. They got water over here and everything. Look at that. That's cool. Whoa. And that looks like water over there. I know it ain't, it's just a light. But that's a new little effect. All right, we got another zombie over here. Sweet. Oh, I love neon black light stuff. This is the coolest stuff. Oh, we already caught up with all these other folks. Here we go. I got dirt in my shoes. Alright. Are you gonna get me? Ain't gonna get me. Not this time. Ain't gonna happen. Not this time. You sound like you got a frog in his throat. Oh, there's a zombie dude. He coming back. He done forgot his wallet. He gotta go back home and get his wallet. He's like, where's my damn wallet? It's in the quarantine zone. All right, I love this area right here.
Please remain standing.
Sounds like Resident Evil shit.
Error. Terminal bus overload.
Oh.
Error. Code.
Uh-oh, we got chainsaw action. There's a monster on the loose. That's a big cicada. It's a cicada killer.